After building last time car, I wondered if it would be possible to make a car to explore places I can't reach. So in this video I will build a car and then test it in real condition. First, the plan. So the plan is to take a 4x4 and put a robotic arm on top with a camera to film what the car sees. Because the arm on top would rotate, I couldn't connect it to the main battery, so I first had to see if I could control both hubs using one controller. I made a better axle design than last time, where instead of delivering power from the side of the differential, I did it from the top where there will be less slack. It was just the idea, I then had to build the rest of the axle. If you enjoyed the video so far, please consider subscribing. If you want to meet people that are interested in LEGO Technic like you can join my Discord server. I also added a diff lock. I modified a copy of the rear axle to make the wheel hub rotate with the motor, and the chassis was nearly finished. I finally built the attachment point for the arm. And I added the arm itself. And finally I went outside to test it. The car didn't perform well in off-road because the extra weight of the arm reduced the ground clearance. For a final test, I sent the car into a tunnel.